Muslim cope. Islamic laws that have already been established can evolve or be reinterpreted in order to adapt to changing, i.e. modern, circumstances. For example, since Islamic states can no longer effectively wage offensive jihad militarily due to their military inferiority, offensive jihad is reinterpreted to mean the proactive, peaceful engagement with non-Muslims in polite dialogue in order to cordially invite them to Islam. Fiqh fact. Scholarly consensus, ijma', is the agreement of all the mujtahids of the Muslims existing at one particular period after the Prophet's death about a particular ruling regarding a matter or event. When the four necessary integrals of consensus exist, the ruling agreed upon is an authoritative part of sacred law that is obligatory to obey and not lawful to disobey. Nor can mujtahids of a succeeding era make the thing an object of new ijtihad, because the ruling on it, verified by scholarly consensus, is an absolute legal ruling which does not admit of being contravened or annulled. Fiqh fact. Consensus, ijma'. Muslims unanimously agree on the legitimacy of jihad in word, deed, and practice throughout the centuries. The scholars have elaborated it in detail in all the books of fiqh. Its matters are well known to be of the necessary aspects of the religion, Islam. Fiqh fact. Jihad is the pinnacle of Islam. It is among the most important characteristics of the religion, so much so that some scholars called it the sixth foundational constituent of Islam. Its purpose is to be the means by which the spread of Islam is achieved, namely the deliverance of the message of Islam to all mankind. Fiqh fact. The Caliph makes war upon Jews, Christians, and Zoroastrians, provided he has first invited them to enter Islam in faith and practice, and if they will not, then invited them to enter the social order of Islam by paying the non-Muslim poll tax, jizya, which is the significance of their paying it, not the money itself, while remaining in their ancestral religions, and the war continues until they become Muslim or else pay the non-Muslim poll tax. Muslim reality. Islamic laws that have been enshrined by ijma', or scholarly consensus, can never be overturned. They are part of authentic Islam as long as Islam exists. Any attempts to make such laws invalid by succeeding generations of Muslims are prohibited. In the specific example of offensive jihad, the effort to diminish its validity or provide an ahistorical reinterpretation by some modern scholars is not due to any foundational principles of jurisprudence, but rather out of pragmatism in order to eliminate potential stigma against Muslims. Islam is a religion of peace towards non-Islamic states only when Islamic states are militarily inferior.